In a world driven by industry, the choices we make today shape the future we leave behind. For too long, companies have relied on fossil fuels that harm our environment and planet. But there's a better way, a sustainable way. And it starts with us. We're pioneering a cleaner tomorrow at Steamax EnviroCare, based in the heart of Delhi. We design and deliver cutting-edge biomass-based solutions, boilers, burners, and advanced air pollution control devices like bag filters, cyclone dust collectors, and wet scrubbers. Our mission: to help industries shift from harmful fossil fuels to renewable, eco-friendly biomass energy. Biomass isn't just an alternative, it's the future. It's renewable and cost-effective and significantly reduces carbon emissions. Our state-of-the-art technologies ensure that industries can operate efficiently while meeting strict environmental standards. From reducing air pollution to cutting fuel costs, we're here to make sustainability a reality. Take a look at our latest success. In Himachal Pradesh, we've partnered with a leading pharmaceutical company to install a 1 ton per hour biomass boiler, a cyclone dust collector, and a wet scrubber. This system doesn't just power their operations, it cleans the air, protects the environment, and sets a new standard for what's possible. This is more than a project, it's a movement, a testament to how innovation and responsibility can go hand in hand. With Steamax EnviroCare, industries across India are stepping into a greener era, one biomass solution at a time. The time to act is now. Whether you're in pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, or beyond, we're ready to help you make the switch. Our expert team designs custom solutions, including advanced retrofitting options tailored to your needs, ensuring efficiency, compliance, and a healthier planet. Steamax EnviroCare isn't just about technology, it's about transformation. Join us in powering a sustainable future. Contact us today and build a cleaner, greener world together.